You're done if you're not aware in life.
Awareness is actually the most important key to having the greatest vibrational energy frequency within yourself. Through awareness, you become able to recognize the best things that you were once blind to. To be honest, each day you wake up and you are not alert of what is going on, you are most likely losing. Research proves that there aren't any successful, wealthy, or rich folks that are not fully aware of their inner self, businesses, health, and family. When someone is highly aware of what's going on in their everyday lives, they seem to make better decisions since all they're doing is listening to their own intuitive guidance. How many times have you sensed a great idea but lost a fantastic opportunity to execute on it due to unawareness? How to be aware of all. It may sound simple, but you have to open up your eyes. You also have to become a good spiritual observer. As a result, it will make you become alert to all that is going on within yourself and around you. Basically, you have to start by being wiser through listening to your intuition. When you look at things differently from a positive perspective, you will see everything that's been hiding from your eyes. Next, you will have to question everything that your mind and ego say is true. Even the thoughts you're having have to be questioned. For example, say to yourself, why am I thinking about this? What is the reason behind this thought? Afterwards, you will notice that this exercise will make you feel emotionally better. If you don't know, we all as humans are not this body only, but we are made up of a spirit and a soul. We are all sons and daughters of a higher being regardless of if we are aware of it or not. Naturally, our spirit is constantly trying to guide us to the right path to progress our life. Self-awareness does not mean to perform self-incrimination. It simply means to identify yourself by analyzing who you really are. Successful people have affluence for the reason that they have become aware and realized what's going on within their way of thinking, daily routine, and everyday habits. Developing your self-awareness. Studies have confirmed that a more composite sense of self-awareness arises when a baby turns 1 year old. By the time he or she becomes 18 months of age, their level of awareness triples. Researchers believe that the anterior cingulate cortex, which is located in the frontal lobe region of the brain, plays an important role in the development of self-awareness. Brain imaging studies have also revealed that this region becomes activated in adults who are self-aware. Levels of self-awareness. So, how do children become aware of themselves as distinct beings? According to Philippe Rochet's major theory of self-awareness, there are 5 levels of self-awareness that are known as differentiation, situation, identification, permanence, and self-consciousness. Differentiation is when a baby starts to recognize their own reflection. They may notice something usual or unusual about looking in the mirror. Situation is when a baby begins to notice their own reflection, being, and actions that are separate from those around them. Identification is the stage when a child totally understands when it is their own reflection in a mirror. Permanence is when a child has a complete sense of themselves and can identify themselves in pictures or videos. Self-consciousness is when a child familiarizes a third-person point of view of themselves. They become aware of the fact that others see them in certain ways. There are 2 types of self-awareness, public and private awareness. Public self-awareness is when people are conscious of how they appear to others. This level of self-awareness frequently compels people to follow social norms. When we are aware that we are being observed and evaluated, we frequently attempt to behave in socially acceptable and desirable ways. Public self-awareness can also lead to evaluation anxiety, a state in which people are distressed, anxious, or concerned about how others perceive them. Private self-awareness, on the other hand, is when people become mindful of some aspects of themselves, but only in a private way. For example, feeling your stomach tingle when you realize you might be in trouble, or feeling your heartbeat when you see someone you admire secretly. 3 ways to improve self-awareness. 1. Meditate. Meditation is a highly important practice because you don't have to change anything. When you are observing what happens during a meditation session, you can bring greater awareness of your thoughts and feelings. For instance, you've noticed that you hold tension in your body by clenching your jaw, or that you worry so much about the future that it's difficult to be in the present moment. The act of meditation will sterilize these triggers and allow you to be in a calm state of mind. 2. Make journaling a habit. Journaling is a self-reflection practice that can help you notice how you think and behave, as well as which areas of your life you might want to improve. It can be a therapeutic way to gain perspective on life events and relationships. 3. Attend therapy. During cognitive behavioral therapy, a therapist works with you to address negative thought patterns and analyzes your behavior. When the therapist understands the cause of your negative thoughts, they can use it to help expose it to you. As humans, sometimes it is difficult to realize our own negative actions and way of thinking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.